Like I haven't experienced such a kind of a feeling. Like
Can I record you what you're doing exactly over here?
yeah, definitely. Wait.
What are you doing over here?
Okay, so actually I'm just a token of gratitude or appreciation for all the staff who have done and cured me, and in fact every other patients, and including my dad. He was also a patient over here. He got a discharge 4 days back, and so this is a thank you note and a token of appreciation from my side to all the staff who have been amazing to us, who have taken extreme care and who have made sure that I or any other patient felt safe and felt home, of being away from home, because this is like a totally new place and it is very scary situation right
like
now.
second home.
Yeah, so it was like a very scary situation at first, but these guys, you all guys made it possible and made it wonderful experience. Though I had to stay for 14 days, it is pretty long for others, but for me it was like just a normal usual day going on and enjoying everyone and learning from you guys. Thank you.
Thanks. So we both are COVID warrior.
Sir, you are warrior. I am not a warrior. I am a survivor.
See, the thing is, COVID affects lungs, but most of time patient get worse because of their imagination, because of their psychic level. Patient got irritable, patient got depressed.
Yeah.
So in short, it affects lungs, but most of cases patient got worse because of their mental psychological effects. So it affects more on that. So thanks. And today you have a great idea of managing these things. You're managing these things.
Thank you, sir. Probably engineering taught me this.
Okay, you are engineer?
Yes.
What, mechanical?
No, production.
Okay, production. I also wanted to be engineer, but I was failed to crack AI EEE. I got plus 6 marks.
Oh yeah, during your time you had AI EEE.
Yes, but I was able to clear MSCD, so I got selected in medical. So this is all inside the master.
Sir, you can take one from this, but I'll just inform everyone.
Yeah.
Because it would be like I informed you first and not everyone. Okay, so it would be a cheating. I'll just keep it over here. It is for the first shift, for the morning fish. I had only 45 papers.
Yeah,
so I
know.
made it 15
I just
each.
go through with your messages. So you said I'm sorry for.
So
I'm able to give everyone.
I made only 15 for each batch so that all of them could get one. So I know it's less. It will, because I counted around, there are more like 20 to 25ish of the staff. So I know I'm short of papers, but sorry, but
it's full of emotion. So where do you stay exactly?
Borivali West.
Borivali West?
Yeah.
I work in Borivali Shantivan.
Shantivan.
Yeah, apart from this.
Okay.